feeling run down is because the body always ends up taking what we don't resolve internally. The stuff that we don't work on and we don't clear and we think it's gone, it's there in the body and it's trying to deal with it on a physical level, right? So the rundown, the hitting the wall, the burning out, it didn't just happen. Just like when we pull our back, one sneeze didn't pull your back. It's 10 years of bad posture. And then it finished in one moment when you sneezed. That's normally what happens. The same thing with like when you run down and hit the wall, so to speak, metaphorically.